Advantages of solar energy. For the importance of energy, we burn harmful petroleum. But what if I say there's a better plan for this? In this video, we will dive deep into the world of clean energy. One of the best sources of clean energy is solar power. It reduces carbon footprint without emitting greenhouse gas. Solar is a sure source of energy, which means never ending. Here, the direct source is the sun, which emits rays toward the solar panels for generating electricity. Let it be sunrise or sunset. Solar is a never-ending source of energy. Solar is also an eco-friendly source of energy as it harnesses the power of the sun for a greener future. As it uses the power of the sun, there is 0% consumption of fuel. It also reduces the air pollution for a safer environment. Solar is also inexhaustible in nature as it uses the sun as its primary source of energy for limitless solutions. Now you may be wondering, how is the energy converted? Don't worry, it's simple. The sun, being the primary source of energy, emits rays toward the solar panels, which are made with PV cells, also known as photovoltaic cells. Then the generated electricity goes through the solar inverter for conversion from DC to AC current. Voila, now you can immediately power your home or business with green energy. We at Ayka Solar can convert your energy into sustainable and greener energy. And if you don't know how to convert the energy into electricity,
don't worry, we have got your back with our premium solar system.
So join us at Ayka Solar, your local solar expert, and help us convert the world into a sustainable and green energy.